going to share with you 4 hacks for using Google Ads to increase traffic to your website. If you want to generate leads, increase sales, and drive more people to your site, then you need more people to click on your Google Ads. The following tips will help you achieve more clicks from your Google Ads campaign so you can increase sales and grow your business. Increase your daily budget. One of the most straightforward ways to get more clicks from your Google Ads campaign is to increase your budget. Google Ads works by calculating how often to show your ads based on the delivery method you've chosen. With standard delivery, Google Ads tries to make sure that your ads appear throughout the entire day, so there are periods during the day when your ads won't be displayed. With accelerated deliver, your ads are shown as fast as possible until you reach your budget limit. If you reach your budget limit early in the day, then your ads won't be displayed for the rest of the day, resulting in missed opportunities. If you raise your daily budget, you improve your chance of getting more clicks. Extend the location where your ads are shown. The location setting of your campaign will determine the location of the people who see your ads. Expanding the target geographic area can help to increase the size of the audience that sees your ads. This will immediately increase the number of clicks that you receive from your ad campaign. Add more relevant keywords. When you add more relevant keywords to your Google Ads campaign, Google will be able to match more of your ads to a more substantial number of search queries, which will lead to more clicks. You can either add new keywords to your current ads or create new campaigns to promote additional services or products. Extend the ad schedule. Your ads will only run during the specific period that you set in the ad schedule settings. People won't be able to see your ads, and you won't be able to gain any clicks if your ads aren't scheduled to run. Check to ensure that you've established settings that schedule your ads to run on the days and times that make sense for your company. If you want to gain more web traffic, then you'll need to optimize your Google ad campaign. When you are making adjustments, make sure you take the time to monitor the performance of the campaigns so you can make sure you see the results you expect. In this presentation, I'm going to provide you with 4 ways you can send emails to your customers that they'll love. Research shows that more than 205 billion emails are sent each day, and the average professional will send and receive 122 emails every day, spending more than 3 hours of their day in their inbox. To give your business the best chance of cutting through the clutter, you need to send emails to your customers that they'll love. Here are 4 ways that you can send emails that your customers will enjoy and ultimately act on. Segment your users. The most obvious place you can start is segmentation. You don't want to send everyone the same thing. Even the most straightforward segmentation can pull you well ahead of the competition. The next time you send out a promotional newsletter, make sure you have at least 2 segments: those who've purchased from you before and new customers. You can use simple sections to your offer in each email that you send, and ultimately improve your profit with this campaign. Use the information of your customers to the segment when you send out email marketing, and you'll be ahead of your competition. Set up an automated campaign. Automated emails provide you with the power to personalize in a way that you just can't do manually. Sending emails that are based on your customers' specific browsing habits isn't something you'd be able to do by hand, but with email automation, you can trigger an email with content that's related to your customers' experiences on your website. Don't underestimate the power you can gain with automated emails. Simplify your copy. Email is an excellent medium for building your business because it forces you to remain simple. There's no room for bloat, and unless your emails are focused, they won't get the attention of your readers. Simplify your email copy and spend more of your time writing content that relates to the relationship of your customers to your business, and make sure to provide a single call to action. Give away your knowledge for free. Customers love it when you share your secrets with them. Too many businesses worry about giving away information. You want to give away as much information as you can as a way to help your customers. Help them by teaching them, and they'll love you more for it. When you start to focus on providing emails that your customers will love, you'll be able to increase your conversions. Make sure that each of the emails that you send counts, and you'll be well ahead of the competition. In this tutorial, I'm going to present 5 hacks for providing memorable customer service through live chat. There's no question that live chat is getting huge, as more and more businesses add the little widget to their websites. There are many different reasons why offering live chat support for your customers is a smart move. Here are 5 hacks for using live chat to provide memorable customer service. Always introduce yourself. You have to get into the mindset that a customer service interaction isn't a transaction, but rather a conversation. When you introduce yourself to your customer, you make things personal and start to frame the communication as one between 2 people rather than one between a business and a customer. Be fast. Live chat is a communication channel where speed does matter. Nearly 80% of customers say that they prefer to use live chat because it provides an immediacy, which is by far the most cited reason for using live chat. As for specific times, 60% of customers don't want to wait for more than a minute for a response. The average time for an initial reply is right around 23 seconds. Promise a result. In your initial live chat, even if you can't resolve the customer's issue right away, let the customer know exactly when they can expect to hear back from you. While you can't always provide them with a promised solution by a given time, you can always provide them an update on your progress. When you can deliver on that promise, you are not only keeping the customer informed on the status of their request, but it provides you with another opportunity to build trust. Make access to chat incredibly easy. When a customer is looking for help or asks you a question, then it means you already have a less than perfect experience. Don't make it worse for them by forcing them to figure out how to get in touch. Make it easy for them to get in touch via live chat by placing your chat widget on every page. Use time-saving tricks. There are times when you don't need an entire knowledgeable-based article to answer a common customer question. This is where saved common replies can come in handy. Instead of wasting time typing the same reply time and time again, you can use common responses to common questions that can be inserted with a click. Live chat support provides a massive opportunity for your business to add a powerful and customer-loved communication channel to your customer service strategy. These tips can help you provide better support in real time. Five reasons why customer feedback is important for your business. As a small business owner, you do your best to satisfy your customers' needs and keep them happy so that hopefully one day they'll become loyal to your brand. There are plenty of ways that you can leverage the feedback of your customers to make a profit. However, if you're not garnering feedback from your customers, how will you ever know what they want? Here are 5 reasons why it is essential for your business to gather input from your customers. It improves products and services. When you introduce a new product or service, you probably don't have any idea of what your customers need. The market research that you conduct before you launch a new product can help, but customer feedback provides you with insight into what is working well and what should be done to make it better. Helps measure customer satisfaction. A crucial part of determining your financial performance is customer satisfaction and loyalty. This makes ensuring your customers are happy of the utmost importance. Naturally, the easiest way to find out if your customers' expectations are being met is by getting their opinions. You can use rating-based questions that can estimate the level of customer satisfaction, as well as predicting your future financial conditions. Show you value their opinion. When you ask for your customers' feedback, you communicate to them that their opinion matters. This allows them to help you shape your business, which in turn makes them feel more attached to your company. Listening to the voice of your customers enables you to create a stronger relationship with them. Create a better customer experience. If you focus your energy on providing the best customer experience at every single touchpoint, your customers will stay loyal to your brand for longer. Naturally, the best way to do this is to ask them what they like about your product or service and what they would like to see improved. Improve customer retention. A satisfied customer will stay with you, while an unhappy customer will find a better alternative. Customer feedback can help you determine if your customers are happy with your service and allow you to detect areas that you need to improve. Regularly asking for the opinion of your customers will help you keep a finger on the pulse. If you want to stay ahead of the competition, then you need to put your customers at the center of your business and treat the feedback they provide you as the most valuable sources of information for your business. In this presentation, I'm going to share with you 5 strategies for successfully growing your business. It takes a lot these days to run a successful business. To start, you need to have a product that customers want and need, and it has to be appropriately priced. However, that's just the beginning. Here are 5 strategies for growing your business. Be hands-on. If you want to grow your business, then you need to be there all the time and hands-on like a physician. As a business owner, you can't be afraid to dig in and get your hands dirty, which means doing the small tasks. You need to pitch in and straighten up the boxes or pick things up. The little things will get noticed, so attention to detail is critical. Focus on the customer. Making a profit isn't the reason for starting a business. The purpose of business is to create and keep your customers. You want them to come to your business the first time and then continue to come and bring their friends. How your business is doing is directly related to how many satisfied customers you have. If you want to increase customer satisfaction, then you have to listen to what your customers are saying and be involved in their overall buying experience. Be more competitive. Unless you have a monopoly, competition is everything, and differentiating yourself from the competition is the key to selling successfully. If you want to grow your company, you can't be a Me Too business. You have to find a competitive advantage. If you don't have one, find a way to create one. Mind the money. When you put your business strategy together, you need to focus on sales, cash flow, and revenues, and you need to know how much money is being made every day. You want to focus on your net profit rather than your gross profit. This will provide you with a more realistic view of exactly how your company is doing. Look to idealize your company by thinking about what your perfect business will look like, and then figuring out what you need to do to create it. Measure your success. Everyone has a different definition of success. The best way for you to measure your progress is by enjoying what you do. Then you need to hit your numbers consistently to show that you know what you're doing. Finally, you need to love your service or product, as well as your customers. If you do all of this, you can't help but be successful. These tips are essential for growing your business. Owning a business can be challenging, but with these tips and strategies, you can be rewarded for your efforts.